everyone, Adam and Maria here, going to go over the kettlebell deadlift. So to set this up, Maria's going to take each of her feet and she's going to place them roughly directly on either side of the handle. Now from this position, Maria's going to bend her knees. She's going to start to drive her hips down and back. As she's doing this, she's going to continue to bend those knees until her hands hit the kettlebell. Now, from this position, Maria's going to take a nice big breath in. She's going to brace her tummy tightly. Her emphasis is going to be push the floor away, driving up to the top, squeezing her butt cheeks tightly. To get back down to the bottom, we're just going to reverse each of those steps. Small knee bend, hips sit down and back till that bell lightly taps the floor. Drive the ground away. We want to make sure as we're going through this, we keep our chest nice and tall, like someone's dumping ice water down our back. We want to also ensure that our emphasis is push through the floor, not pull the weight up from the ground. This will help ensure that we feel a lot of this work driving through our hamstrings and our butt cheeks. I also do want to put that reminder out there that it is okay to feel some amount of work at our lower back. We just want to ensure that it is not only occurring at our lower back. We want to make sure that there are no stabbing or shooting pains associated with this in the lower back, the hips, the knees, or the ankles.